What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be going over this trade that I took on NQ. I'm going to try and explain it in simple terms just because it was a high time frame range play. So coming into the day, I understood that price was ranging, right? We were going from range high to range low, range high to range low. And this is the exact entry I took. So if you look at either my YouTube live recording, which is posted on my channel, or even if you look at my TikTok recording, if you don't have the attention span, you can look at that and see it all sped up. So yeah, this was the trade. It was off an order block, and my understanding was we basically had SMT at both sides of the range, okay? So when there's SMT at both sides of the range, there's one thing I want to do. This candle wasn't here, remember? This black candle. So there's one thing I want to do. I want to understand where the range is and I understand how to trade it from the range high to range low or range low to range high. So during New York AM, we actually had this range play on NQ. On ES, sorry. ES swept this high while NQ failed to. So we had a range low to a range high. Then we get this. We get this move here, which is a range low with SMT, like we need. SMT external range liquidity pool. As you can see, ES here failed to take that correlated low, right? Failed to take that, ES took that correlated low while NQ failed, showing me that NQ is stronger, right? So after this, we go to our normal time frame. We're going from range low to range high. This is what you have to do in consolidated markets. So I'm not going to bother replaying this because there's no point. So this is what I wanted. So I wanted 2R, and obviously these were the range highs which we've left and we've just turned around. Bear in mind that Trump is active today. He's been active every day this week. He's been live. My Water Bloomberg notifications have been popping off like anything. Like he's always talking now. So I was very cautious of this trade because of, one, the consolidating markets. Right, I perform best in expanding markets, and two, because he was live, right, naturally. So I was very reduced risk already on my fundeds, not so much on evals. So I already moved like this, and then I moved like this once we carried on expanding away, just because I did not want this to turn around on me, okay? I mean, this trade was amazing. I took this on loads of accounts. I'll put the screenshots on the screen here. And you can see them and what I was thinking. Like I said, I've done this all live. This is no hindsight. This is all live, taking this all on real accounts, funded accounts, evals, past 2 evals with this trade. So I'm now 2 for 2 on the week. I've got one more trading day of the week left because I'm not trading Friday. I'm away. So yeah, other than that, guys, take care and thank you very much for watching. And if you want to see more like this, then be sure to tune into my YouTube live streams Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday every single week. Be sure to come pop in. Anyway, guys, thank you very much and take care.